This is a Saturday rainy morning. Hi everyone, good morning. I'm just enjoying my coffee here. Let's talk about Spider-Man. By the way, my name is EJ and gusto ko lang pag-usapan si Spider-Man, Brand New Day. Ang ganda kasi. Sobrang ganda. Nagandahan talaga ako. OA, no? Pero I've noticed three things about Spider-Man Brand New Day. What made this film very beautiful? First, yung pagka-grounded niya na street level hero siya. Specifically stated ni Yelena Belova na small potato yung hinahawakan ni Spider-Man, ni Punisher as well. And hindi big potatoes yun. Kaya hindi na nakialam sila Yelena. And I appreciate that. I like the idea na binibigyan nila ng emphasis na these are street level heroes and these are not the big or universal threat heroes. That's what made the beauty of this film, The Brand New Day. It is somewhat similar with the feels ng Daredevil Born Again that was shot in the scenes of New York. Ganda eh. Tapos, the second one is Tom Holland itself. I must say, I'm not a fan of Tom Holland. Previously. Pero ngayon, I am liking Tom Holland as Spider-Man. Sabi nga ni Stanley, si Tom Holland nga daw, yung nakita niya or parang dinidescribe niya, if I'm not mistaken. Don't take my word for it. Ang ganda eh. Tom Holland. Kasi favorite ko talaga si Andrew Garfield. And respect to Toby and Andrew. Ako, they are all great. Especially nung nagsama-sama sila. May kanya-kanya sila eh. Nagustuhan ko si Andrew Garfield kasi very grounded yung kanyang story. But medyo nagkaroon ng fast track na lang yung story niya dun sa second installment ng The Amazing Spider-Man. And I really did not appreciate that. And grabe, pagdating kay Tom Holland, hindi ko talaga siya na-appreciate for the longest time. Kasi parang totoy and parang super bait and so on. Pero na-realize ko, 15 years old nga lang pala si Spider-Man or si Peter Parker nung kinagat siya ng gagamba, 'di ba? Ng radioactive spider. Thus, he became Spider-Man. Teenager pa lang siya with a lot of problems, a lot of worries, 'di ba? Ang ganda nung pagkaka-develop ng story na 'yon. And may mga scenes na medyo natiri-eyed ako. Ganun yung effect sa akin nung Brand New Day. And on how Tom Holland, yung parang nangingiyak siya, parang nakakaawang pusa, parang gano'n. I really like it. Sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga. Hanggang ngayon, di pa rin ako mag-get over. Imagine, last week ko pa napanood yon and still, come on, come on, come on. Yung pa rin nasa isip ko. Tapos, the last one would be the storyline. I know marami hindi naka-appreciate nito, but yung take nila with the villain of the story, so spoilers ahead, wala ka na. Spoiler to. Jean Grey. I was not expecting na maipapasok nila si Jean Grey. I was also thinking na baka yung mga theory na si Madam Web or yung isa na... I'm not really familiar with the Spider-Verse, no? But maraming possibility. Pero i-connect nila kay Jean Grey. And I love the idea that they used yung VMAX. Ang dami nagsasabi na, ano ba naman yun? Nag-expect ako na hindi eh. Just imagine this one. You have a sister. Or let's say, or brother. Diba? He or she was taken away by the government and was experimented on. And you guys are telepaths. Tapos, nung ine-eksperimentohan ka, you had a way to communicate with your sister who is a telepath as well. And the last thing na na-share niya sa sister niya is the word VMAX. Now, in the film, when Jean Grey was fighting for her life, he raised her head up, tumingala siya, at nakita niya, it's the ventilation nung aircon na VMAX. Kala ko nga parang Alchemax and so on, something. Pero mababaw but deep na sabi ko, oh my God, ito yung huling nakita nung kapatid niya. Ito yung na-share nung kapatid niya. Kinikilabutan ako pag na ano eh. Ito yung nakita nung kapatid niya bago siya namatay. And yun yung na-sight niya. At yun lang yung clue na maibibigay niya sa kapatid niya na nakita niya. And Jean Grey was really searching for it in the database of the damage control. Sobrang, shock sabi ko. Well, anyway, so those are the 3 things that I've observed in this film. Of course, the soundtrack as well, ang ganda. Really appreciate it. Cons, maybe bitin. And they could have inserted Daredevil. Yun talaga yung na-expect ko. Pero I think it would be too much. No? Tsaka I like the idea, additional, bonus na lang to, no? I like the idea that they were able to squeeze in yung mga villains as just a preview para ma-establish na siya na Spider-Man. And nakakatuwa na people loved him as much as we love him. So yun lang. I like Tom Holland. I like the story itself, diba? Tsaka grabe, I like how grounded this film was. So what are your thoughts? And for my space crew, I hope that you share your thoughts here, what you have observed in the film, and I'll see you in the next video. So I'll be posting a lot of videos. So, bye-bye!